Hi, my name is Caesar. Today we're gonna install fill valve, which pretty much levels the water for the pool, as the old one is no longer working, and we will be replacing that today. And first, what we do, we shut off the water. But since I know I shut the water off already, I'm gonna go ahead and do this, because if not, then the water would fall over. So what we wanna do right here, we add Teflon, thread it on there. We have no leaks. Its purpose is to seal it properly in the location you want it. When I lift up, it stops. Once it gets to that point, it's gonna stop. And then we inspect pool. We see it's probably like an inch off. Probably needs a little inch of water. So that level right there is good. And we make sure we have no leaks at the where we threaded it on, and I see no leaks. Just stop right there. Yeah, no leaks. That's a win for me.